electric currents in our veins. This love we feel, it never wanes.